So OPPO brought a few of us to Mexico for a photography tour so that we can test out and put it through the paces, the brand new OPPO Find X9 Pro. So we're going to be in Mexico City for a couple days, and then we're shooting to Guanajuato, I think it's how you pronounce it, to participate in Day of the Dead activities, which I'm very excited for. Right now we're actually at a massive library, so we're going to do this first. I'll check in with you guys every stop that we make in Mexico. We're going to do a bit of a vlog. Make sure that you keep notes of the watermarks at the bottom of all the photos and videos if you'd like to see what sensor we're using. But yeah, just kick back, relax, and enjoy touring Mexico City with me. So we're at the National Art Museum now. We're going to get some photos around it and some snaps inside.
This building was inaugurated in 1907 as a post office.
So this is where we're having lunch. So now we're at Zocalo, which is the informal name for the Constitution Square here in Mexico, and that is the largest flag I have ever seen, though I've been told Texas has a bigger flag.
Basically today we have this special event, related to what I was telling you about Day of the Dead, the most important celebration.
So this is the Palacio de Bellas Artes. It is one of the largest art museums in Mexico. We're gonna get some snaps of it. Alright, so we are ending the first day off here in Mexico with a dinner, naturally, and this place looks fire, literally. So day 2 here in Mexico City, and this is what we're starting the day with. We're off to one of the most famous taco restaurants in Mexico, apparently. So we've landed in Guanajuato now, and we're going to end the day off with a steak, which will be great, and we get to explore this wonderful city tomorrow. So today, day 3, we're pretty much just going to be walking to Guanajuato Central City, and we're going to be exploring the city and checking out some parades.
Yo no sé matar.
So this is where we're eating, and the hunt for the best taco continues. So we freshened up and now it's time for some dinner. And now it is time to walk through the streets of Guanajuato for celebrations. So day 4, and I'm not sure if you guys realize, but my face is currently painted because today is the main day of the Dead celebration, so we're heading to a parade. So unfortunately, apparently, the parade has been cancelled. Reasons unknown, but we're going to be traveling around, seeing some different places. So, doing today and then figure it out. I know we have some cool activities planned for tonight. So they're about to let balloons go over here, and they've written the names of the people that they've lost, and they're going to let them free.
Invitarlos, hay un impasse, ustedes pueden tranquilamente.
We are hiking to the restaurant right now. Shortcut. Alright, so behind me is the restaurant that we're currently at, but in front of me is absolutely breathtaking. What we walked up earlier, we walked. So we just traveled for about 2 hours to get to a place called San Miguel here in Guanajuato, and it's apparently a World Heritage Site. So I'm super keen to see what it has in store for us today, but it already looks incredible. After a nice nap on the bus, it's time to watch the sunset, but it seems like it's already gone down. So this is the final dinner. Being in Mexico, we head out tomorrow. Alright, so that's now a wrap, guys. I am heading back home tomorrow. It's been an incredible journey here in Mexico. Definitely recommend it if you ever are given the opportunity. Let me know your thoughts on the sites that you've seen, and of course the camera performance and microphone quality of the new OPPO Find X9 Pro. And I think one good thing to take away from all this is to remember those that you have lost and to continue celebrating their lives. As always, this is Technic, and I'll catch you in the next one.